Good job. All right.
Hello, Puff the Dragon here, bringing you a special broadcast of Marcus Michaud learning to walk.
All right. I know you've done this many times before. Do it one more time for us. There you go. Keep going. Wobbly. I hope you can make it to the end. Good job. You want to try again? You want to try again?
The baby's coming back for a second try.
No.
He is faltering. He is tired, his knees are buckling, but he's still carrying on strong.
Too bad you didn't hit record that last time.
We are live now.
Alright. Good job.
Alright.
Good job.
Thank you, and good night.